So today we're going to be installing the Raptor style grill on the F-250. So pretty much, well, I just wanted to explain where I got this thing. I got it on eBay. You can't really find these on websites because that's it's not a Ford manufactured part, and Ford's quick to sue. So it'll come with not actually looking like these. You have to put these on. The F, where is it? The F and the R, you have to put on. But it's really easy. It took like 5 minutes. So just they slide on, and then you put a screwdriver, and then you screw them in with the screwdriver. So now let's go put it on over here. There's 4 10mm bolts. They go from here, 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 and over here. So pretty much what you do is just take them off one by one. Come on. One. Came off easily. So guys, got the clips off, or got the grill off. You just have to pull down on these clips like that really hard, and they'll come off. Be careful, but you can do that. So let's now I'm gonna go put the grill on, and we'll go from there. So I took out these lights in here. We're not even gonna use them. I don't really drive at night that much, so we don't really need them, and it has headlights. So we're just gonna keep on. First, gonna take that off and keep on going with putting the trim back on. I cleaned it. I'm thinking about getting white LEDs eventually and putting them in here. Probably not gonna happen anytime soon, but eventually. So now I'm gonna put this thing back on. I'll talk to you once that's on. So pretty much, I figured out these things here. Where are they now? I can't find them. This one, like these, they look like this on the other side. They are really hard to find. You just go behind them, and you just hold it. Be careful, and just poke it out. So that's that. You can do it on, and you want to do them on all these. So that's all you have to do. I'll talk to you when I get this thing off. So it's in now. Install it the same way that I uninstalled it. So here's what it looks like. It looks pretty good. So it's done. So now I guess I'm gonna drive home. We're gonna go eat some lunch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So bye.